Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to private your friend list on Facebook. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Facebook application on your phone and make sure it is completely updated. On the homepage, click the three horizontal icon located at the bottom of the screen of iPhone, then at the top right of the Android. Scroll down to look for Settings and Privacy, and then choose Settings. On the Settings page, look for the Privacy Checkup under the Account subsection, then click it. But if you can't find it, just use the search bar at the top corner. Click the Who Can See What You Share, then click Continue. On the first page, under Friends and Following, you can choose to edit the audience who can see your profile. You can change it from Public or Only Me or customize it. You can also choose to edit the privacy from the same options of who can see your friends on your profile. If ever you like to adjust your following settings, do the same thing since it is adjustable as well. When you're done, just click Next and go through all the next sections. Then, confirm it when you're done. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.